Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to connect the headphones to this device. So basically with this device we've got an issue, so we do not have the jack port, so we cannot simply plug in the headphones, and the only way we can do it is to simply plug them right here. And this is a charging port and USB-C type, so it simply means that you will have to have the adapter, or you will have to have the headphones which are also with the USB-C option, let's say. So all we have to do right now is to simply plug them right here where the charger goes. And as you can see, here we've got the icon which will show us that we just successfully connected the headphones to this device. So actually this is it. This is how to connect this REALME GT 2 Pro with the headphones. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.